In this tutorial, I will teach you how to change name in GeoGuessr. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on GeoGuessr, you can use the link in the description and you may get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the GeoGuessr website, you can just click your profile right here, your icon. And after clicking it, you can just go down until you find account right here, and after that just click edit again right here so that you can edit your nickname or also your name. So right here you can just I can just change my name to whatever I want. And after changing my name, as you can see, if I scroll down, I only have one change remaining, so I make sure that this is my final name because I only have one change remaining. And after that, I can just click update and my name will automatically be changed to that name. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can change your name in GeoGuessr. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.